विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल.
Welcome. Today we explore the profound impact of chanting the sacred name of Vitthal on our body, mind, and soul. We often chant the name Vitthal, but have you ever considered the precise impact this practice has on your inner state? Let us explore a beautiful experience associated with this traditional practice. Chanting is not just an external act. It connects our physical being with our deepest spiritual self. When we utter the name, we begin to perceive subtle sensations manifesting within our physical form. Specifically, when pronouncing the syllable tha, a subtle vibration travels down toward the chest area. This specific experience naturally draws our attention to our breath, anchoring us in the present moment. As we focus, the mind begins to settle, paving the way for greater clarity and introspection. Chanting with faith and consistency helps dissolve stress, fostering a sense of resilience. Through this steady rhythm, we achieve a unique state of mental stability and deep, lasting calm. We see the beauty of this tradition in the Warkaris who embody this practice during their pilgrimage. Even after the age of 60 or 80, they walk with vigor, sustained by the power of the name. Their faith provides them with the mental energy and self-confidence required to keep moving forward. It is a beautiful way to integrate spirituality into the very fabric of your daily life. Chanting connects us to spirituality, offering a taste of the concentration found in the deepest yoga practices. This practice nurtures positive thinking and helps us cultivate an inner sense of profound contentment. Chanting the name of Vitthal is truly more than a devotion. It is a transformative life experience. We encourage you to set aside a few quiet moments in your daily life to chant this sacred name. Come, let us all say with love, Vitthal, 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 Jai Hari Vitthal.
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल.